What is the role of escrow companies, which are essential in real estate transactions, as they serve as neutral third parties, facilitating a secure and seamless exchange of funds and documents between buyers and sellers? Here are key reasons why escrow companies are crucial. Financial security. Escrow companies handle the funds involved in the transaction, such as the buyer's earnest money deposit and the seller's proceeds. By securely holding these funds in an escrow account, they mitigate the risk of mismanagement or misappropriation. Impartial mediation. Acting as neutral intermediaries, escrow companies ensure fairness and adherence to the agreed upon terms by both parties. They follow instructions provided by the buyer and the seller, facilitating a balanced and unbiased transaction process. Document preparations and review. Escrow companies assist in preparing and reviewing important legal documents, including purchase agreements, title reports, and loan documents. This helps to ensure accuracy, completeness, and compliance with legal requirements. Title research and insurance. Escrow companies conduct comprehensive title searches to verify property ownership and identify any liens or encumbrances. They also facilitate the purchase of title insurance, protecting both the buyer and lender from potential title issues. Coordination and communication. Escrow companies with various parties involved in the transaction, such as real estate agents, lenders, title companies, and attorneys. Their role is to ensure smooth communication and coordination, meeting deadlines and requirements effectively. Compliance with escrow instructions. Escrow companies strictly adhere to the instructions outlined in the escrow agreement. They ensure that all conditions, contingencies, and timelines are met before proceeding with the transaction. Efficient closing process. Escrow companies oversee the closing process, managing document signings, fund transfers, and the recording of the deed. They ensure that all parties receive their respective payments promptly and that the transfer of ownership is properly documented. In summary, escrow companies provide a vital layer of security, efficiency, and expertise in real estate transactions. Their involvement minimizes risk, ensures compliance with legal requirements, and fosters a smooth closing experience for both buyers and sellers. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Again, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and the real estate agent in the Bay Area. I love what I do and people love what I do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.